Good morning, this is Michael with Terry Hendricks. I'm out here with our 2019 Ram 2500 Limited 6.7 Cummins diesel. Tire tread depth is looking great just to start. Rims are looking great. My auction purchaser drove this home as it had just come in late Friday. Want to make sure everything was running on it good. We got Ram boxes on this. In case you haven't seen the inside of one of these, got plugs for the drain ports there. Again, tire tread depth is looking good all around. We've got an automatic tailgate drop function on the fob. Bed liner's looking great, straight from the factory. And we got those dividers come with the Ram boxes. Tonneau cover's looking good. She just needs a little bit of a cleanup. I didn't see any scratches, dents, or dings on it. Hasn't been through service and it hasn't been through detail just yet, but we can get that taken care of for you pretty easily. We got full crew cab back seats here. Leather looks like it's in good condition. Easy to fold down. No smoke odors or any kind of issues on the inside here, stale odors or anything. Got heated seats on the back row, as well as some connectivity options and plug-ins. Weather mats. Got blind spot sensors, those little triangle there on the mirror. And actually this will fold out as your towing mirror. Right up here we got a camera that's mounted right there, and I'll show you what that has to do with your system here, backup camera system. We got automatic folding mirrors, memory seating, again power running boards, everything's working great there. Power driver seat, leather is in excellent condition, again up front here. Also got the sunroof, automatic headlights. Start this bad boy up. My auction purchaser is short. There we go, a little more comfortable for me.
You're awesome. So get your phone, then we're going to talk about...
Turn that down. We got 23,450 on the odometer. We've got voice recognition and Bluetooth options here on the steering wheel. You've got adaptive cruise control right here. Turn that fan down here. Adaptive cruise control here, gear limiter here. You got your four-wheel drive select system available. And then that really nice 12-inch screen. Definitely something that's pretty awesome to work with. You can dual screen options if you wanted to. You can work with the navigation on here as a full screen, or do a two-way screen, whatever you like. So you can set that up here. Work with your audio. There's a lot of different configurations on here, so I'm not going to go through all of them. Let me know if you have any further questions. I can help you with that. Up top here you have the sunroof controls as well as the tailgate drop option again. Let's check and see what we got for the sunroof. Yep, everything's working great there. You got parking sensors you can turn off and on here, trailer brake control, CD player, all sorts of goodies. Take a look at that backup camera. This is what I wanted to show you with that camera system. You got a 360 camera system available. 4 cameras, one on the front, one on the back, 2 on each side underneath the mirror. So you can work with several different viewpoints here. Overhead being the main. If I open one of the doors, the camera turns off. But you can check all sorts of different options. Now you also have a cargo cam. And then you can see out the sides individually as well. One of the more advanced safety options, my favorite. I've got 3 kids that run around cars all the time, no matter how many times I tell them not to. So you've also got some options down here. We got heated and ventilated seats for the front, heated steering wheel. You can check out your cargo camera, surround cam. You can even deploy the side steps if you wanted to at any time. So a lot of really nice options here for safety. Sorry it's a longer video here, but give us a call, 419-445-2576. Or if you're working with me directly, 419-495-5882. Thanks for checking this one out.